How to register to Toktokwallet. Go to the Talktalk app and click on the Toktokwallet tab. Click the Verify Now button. Fill out your personal information. Upload your valid ID. Any government-issued ID like passport or driver's license is accepted. Verify your identity by taking a selfie. Review and confirm your details. Don't forget to read and accept the terms and conditions. Wait for registration confirmation and start using Toktokwallet. Download the Toktok app now. Register to Toktokwallet now. How to cash in using your Toktokwallet. Click the Cash In feature. Type in the amount you want to cash in. Select the cash in method and fill in the details. Please take note that successful payments may take up to 24 hours to reflect in your Toktokwallet. Enter your transaction PIN. Read and accept the terms and conditions. You will receive an SMS confirming your successful cash in. Download the Toktok app now. Register to Toktokwallet now. How to send money using Toktokwallet with the QR code. Upload or scan the recipient's QR code. Enter the amount to send, then click the Proceed button. Enter your transaction PIN. Review and confirm the details. Success message will be displayed in the mobile app and you will receive an email confirmation. Download the Toktok app now. Register to Toktokwallet now. How to send money using Toktokwallet. Click the Send Money feature and enter the recipient's Toktok number or tap the Address Book button to access your contacts. Enter the amount to send, then click the Proceed button. Enter your transaction PIN. Review the send money details and swipe the amount below to confirm transaction. Success message will be displayed in the mobile app and you will receive an email confirmation. Download the Toktok app now. Register to Toktokwallet now. How to transfer funds using Toktokwallet. Click the Fund Transfer feature and click Bank Transfer. Input the bank details and personal information. Review and confirm fund transfer details. Enter the one-time PIN. Success message will be displayed in the mobile app and you will receive an SMS confirmation. Download the Toktok app now. Register to Toktokwallet now. How to upgrade your Toktokwallet account to a fully verified Toktokwallet account. Go to your Toktokwallet account, click the Settings icon, click the Upgrade account, then click the Upgrade Now button. Accomplish the requirements by having at least one successful Toktokwallet fund transfer to link your bank account. Schedule a video call for a verification. Choose your video call method and enter your number. Pick your preferred date and time and click the Submit button. Wait for a representative to get in touch with you. Download the Toktok app now. Register to Toktokwallet now. How to upgrade from a fully verified Toktokwallet account to a Toktokwallet Enterprise account. Go to your Toktokwallet account, click the Settings icon, click Upgrade Account, then click the Upgrade Now button. You will see the requirements beforehand, so have them ready before you proceed. Upload the required documents. Then submit. Wait for approval. Download the Toktok app now. Register to Toktokwallet now.